And I give now the floor to Mr. Borden David, DRCNet Foundation Incorporation. You have the floor, sir.
Thank you to the facilitators for the opportunity to participate in this consultation and for your efforts organizing it. DRCNet Foundation is a Washington, D.C. based NGO that is also known as StopTheDrugWar.org. We advocate at the United Nations and in our own country for drug policies that are grounded in human rights, health, development, and human security. This is a platform we share with reform-minded NGOs from around the world that engaged drug policy at the UN during the 2016 United Nations General Assembly Special Session on the World Drug Problem, and which continues to do so at the Commission on Narcotic Drugs and in other treaty body and other international forums. My remarks concern ways in which other parts of the UN treaty body system compete with the human rights system. Our view is that prohibition-based drug control systems ensure that the worst human rights violations will erupt at times. There is Portugal with a strong decriminalization system that attempts to respect human rights. But there is also Rodrigo Duterte's Philippines. There are countries relying primarily on alternatives to incarceration, but there is also U.S.-style mass incarceration. Some countries have embraced harm reduction approaches, such as heroin maintenance, pioneered in Switzerland, or syringe exchange, whereas some countries, such as Russia, ban even the use of methadone, an essential medicine according to the World Health Organization. In Vienna, a consensus approach drives the proceedings. This has the effect that an influential participant to negotiations can dilute any good statements of principle that other member states have put forward. Governments that apply the death penalty for some drug offenses, for example, which is contrary to UN standards, or which, like Russia or China, wish to maintain a favorable climate for their authoritarian approaches, insist that qualifying languages emphasizing national conditions or legislation be added to any statement. At the UNGAS, a statement we organized, endorsed by 350 organizations, argued that in cases of irreconcilable conflict, human rights obligations should take priority over provisions of the drug conventions.
Thank you very much.